CARAPPT. That's what we've got for me. Car appointment, yes we do. Changing oil. How about you? Guys, I think she likes me. Guess what?
She made me an omelet. Really good looking.
It was originally supposed to be... What do you call it when you mix an omelet with rice? What's that called? Stir fry. That's what it originally was going to be. But there was a lot of egg, and it looked really good. I was like, just leave those apart, and I'll eat as I see fit. So we got someplace to be, and Caitlin...
I'll vlog myself so that we don't die. Keep your eyes on the road, don't look at me. Drying my hair the natural way, out the window. That's how I do it. We're gonna go babysit some youngins. Babysit. Steven's favorite thing.
Yeah.
Well, I should specify, it's because it's actually like babies. He's not a baby person.
I like people.
They're people.
They're not quite people yet.